Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Smartass Sass for December. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is my Smartass Sass for December. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Smartass Sass, for sending me your amazing box. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys know I love this box. I do need to disclaimer, this is my Smartass and Sass box. So in this video, you will probably be hearing and seeing more foul language than you're used to. If you're not into foul language, then don't worry about it. Don't watch this video or pause and watch later if you have little ones around, earmuffs, that kind of thing. But this is Smartass and Sass, so there's no telling what's gonna come out of this in this video. So let's go ahead and get in here. You guys know I absolutely love this box. Classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy. And my all-time favorite, drop it like it's hot, but no, not really. It's fragile. So let's get in, let's see what the theme is for this month. We'll see the spoiler for next month, and yeah. So when you first open it up, that is what it looks like right there. So here is their card. So this month's theme is going to be You Got This. This month's theme will honor the kick-ass lady you are as you say bye Felicia to 2020. Now it's time to start planning how you'll slay next year. December is all about supporting you with sassy motivation. If you guys want a sneak peek of January's theme is a rebel with a cause. How cute. Next month will remind you to stay true to what you believe. Stick with what you know because you're a risk taker for a reason, baby. January is all about reminding yourself of your powerful ass purpose. That's awesome. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and go over the shirt first. With this box, if you don't know, there's 3 different levels. One's a shirt only, one is the goods only, and one is the grand box with the goods and the shirt. They do send me the full box with everything. So let me show you the shirt. If you get the full big box or the shirt only, you would receive the shirt. And look, I love that color. I'm so excited about that color. So the shirt is like this teal blue color. Oh my gosh, that is a stunning color. And it says, bad vibes don't go with my outfit. How freaking cute is that? Bad vibes don't go with my outfit. And I like all the flowers around it. That is super, super cute. Oh my God, I love this shirt. That is just so me. The colors, the flowers, the saying. This is like it was made for me. Oh my gosh, it was made for us. But I love that shirt. Now this shirt is always valued at $15.95 if you were wondering. So when I do add up the total at the end, I will be adding up each individual item with the $15.95 for this total box value. So let me show you what it looks like once you remove the shirt and everything. That's what it looks like inside. So let's go with the first thing right on top. Honey hand cream. That is cool. I don't think we've had a hand cream before, and if we have, I've just forgotten. But this is from Yes Studio. Perfect for skin in need of some love. This lightly scented balm absorbs, hold on, I'm trying to open it as I'm talking and there's a sticker. Trying to wonder why it's not opening. Absorbs quickly to protect, nourish, and moisturize hands. Pop this skincare essential in your bag and face the day in smooth style. This is valued at $10 and it can be found at www.uppercanadasoap.com. Then there's that. So it is a hand cream, and let's see, there is a seal. What was the scent? Did I even pay attention? honey hand cream. So let me get a little bit of there. Ooh, I said a little bit. Oh, holy moly. Hold on. Okay, so I got a little more than what I was intending on, but I'll just rub it in and keep on moving. Whoa, it feels really nice. It has a nice slight scent, and I'm kind of picking up on like the honey or something to that nature. but it does have a nice slight scent and it feels amazing. My whole arms just feel so good right now. So I like that, and I like the small size because you can drop it in your gym bag, your purse, your desk. You can leave it in your car, whatever you would like. So I like that that is there. So that's valued at $10. Okay, so then next we have is Headstrong Highlighters, and it's in like this little bag. This is Headstrong Highlighters by Smartass Sass. Calling all color coordinators. These sassy highlighters will spark up your planners, notebooks, and papers. The bright side, no pun intended, is every time you use one, you're reminded of your badassery. And this is a $6 value, and this is from Smartass Sass, and you can purchase individual items from their shop if you don't want to go straight to the subscription. They do sell individual items. They sell the shirts individually, and they sell individually curated boxes that you can do a one-time purchase with no commitment. So if you want to check out their site this month, their code is I'm tired, IMTIRED, I'm tired, for 20% off anything in their shop. That's awesome. So here is an individual little package, and it's Ziploc open and close. And you have all of these highlighters, which that's really cool that it's giving you like the idea to do journaling, planners, that kind of thing. But they're really cute, and they're this size. There's yellow, pink, purple, green, orange, and blue. And they have individual sayings that says queen, babe, goddess, badass, rebel, and boss. So that's really cute that they have little fun sayings on there as well. And I like that they come in this little pouch. So that's neat. And again, that's valued at $6. I made a dirty martini. So now we have is Shit to Do Craft Boner. It says 50-page notepad. Oh, that's actually really cool because, okay, let's see what's up with this boner situation. Okay, so there's actually two different pads in here. They're both exactly the same, and it says shit to do, and it has like these little bullets here so you can write whatever. And it's cool because the bottom literally has Monday through Sunday, January through December, and 01 through 31. So you can actually mark down to the day of the week, the date, everything that this is in, you know, it applies to if you would like, or you can just use them as scrap paper. But that is so cute. But it says a handy way to get your shit together because none of us really know what the hell we're doing. Not really. More stuff to make you giggle at www.craftboner.com. Oh, that must be the company's name. I guess that's what's up with that. Sorry. But that's, I guess, the name of the company. That's a weird name. I'm like, All right. Let's see here. So this guy here is Shit to Do Notepad from Craft Boner, because who the hell doesn't love crossing things off lists? Organize your life with this foul-mouthed notepad that helps you keep order to all of the shit you need to do each day. And this is valued at $5, and you can use code SASSY for 15% off the shop at www.craftboner.com. I don't need to spell that one. Okay, so then now we have is, oh, I dropped it. It says Sassy Stickies by Smartass Sass. Keep calm and drink coffee. So this must be what they're doing now, because they'll change it up from clicky pins to stickers to now a little cute notepad that has in its own little, because before they would just come on a card and you would just have this, but now it's actually in a little like book kind of. That's really cute. Keep calm and drink coffee is what it actually says on there as well. And this is from Smartass Sass, and it's 50 sheets right there. So this is, drum roll, our stickies are back. With a very true saying at the top. Spice up your thoughts with these cute stickies pinned up for your personal reminder. And it includes 50 sheets, and it's valued at $3. That is super cute. But again, I like that it's in this little book, even if you want to drop it in your car, your glove box, or in your purse, your desk, whichever. At least it's in like a little book form, and I think that's really cute. So then now we have is, it says, Feeling Good as Hell Stainless Steel Bangle. Okay, so I know I'm not going to wear this. I'll hold this for one of you guys. We've gotten these bangles a few times, and they're just not all wrist friendly, I guess I would say. This is a perfect add-on to any look. This stainless steel bangle reminds you that it's not a bad life, just a bad moment. Feeling good as hell, even amongst the bullshit. This is a $29 value. It's from Smartass Sass. And again, you can use I'm tired for 20% off. And it says feeling good as hell in like a cursive type writing on the top. Now, okay, so I can get it to fit, but that is nowhere near comfortable at all, being like bone to bone on me. So again, I will go ahead and set this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to hopefully enjoy. It's just nothing I can do. I have a big wrist. So let's keep on going. And again, valued at $29. Okay, so next we have something in this little pouch, and it feels like a rock. Ooh, it is. It is a rock. And oh, it says, just fucking breathe. Yes, there's like, it's like a worry stone kind of to carry with you. Just fucking breathe. Let me find this. Just fucking breathe rock from Viva Rebel. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Badass gratitude stones to encourage and empower women. These traditional gratitude stones combined with swear words will help relax, motivate, and inspire you. This is valued at $11.95, and you can get it from www.vivarebel.com. Viva Rebel. But that's cool. It's like actually in the rock, and it has like a silver font color to it. Just a fucking breathe. Yes, just breathe, bitch. Keep on breathing. Everything's gonna be okay. Okay, so again, $11.95. Now we have is something in this cute little box right here, and this is from Smartass Sass, and it says, "You got this ceramic mug. Remind yourself with your morning joe that you got this." Smartass Sass own purple mug with a speckled design, safe for any kind of wash. $20 value. And again, this is from Smartass Sass. That is super cute. I like that color purple because it's not too dark and it's not too light. You do have the little speckles all over, and it says, "You got this." So that is very cool to have nice little inspirational words to help you start your day. If coffee's not your thing, tea, hot chocolate, water, whatever you would like, you can use this for, or you can re-gift this. And especially it does come in this nice box. So it's in a giftable box as well. So if this is not something that you would like, or you have so many mugs right now, you could always gift this to somebody. And it's not like a specific occasion. So you can give it to anybody at any time. And here's a box for it. Again, valued at $20. And that's super cute. I really like that mug. Okay, you guys, so the last item in here, it says a fucking 2021 calendar. A daily dose of zero fucks. Now, they normally were sending, like the last few years, we got the unicorn, the Life of a Unicorn desk calendar, and I've had it on my desk at work the last 2 years. And I'm so glad that we got another one. I know this isn't the unicorn one, but I bet you it's gonna be just as good, or at least maybe funnier, with the cuss words in them. The other one, the unicorn one, is this really nice, like inspirational words that I read every single day. This one seems like it's just gonna be a lot funnier and more my style. Okay, so here it is, and it says a fucking 2021 calendar. Okay, so just some things that it says. So this one must be, yes, it's daylight savings time. A whole fucking extra hour. Took that long to reset all the damn clocks. Isn't that the truth? You get an extra time, but all you're doing is run around trying to fix your shit. Start your I don't give a fuck diet. Oh my God. There you go. I'm on a diet. It's called I don't give a fuck diet. That's awesome. Bitch, go pick some apples. Do we really need another fucking corn maze? Oh, that must be for, yeah, around like fall. After Tuesdays, even the calendar says WTF. Put all your fucking summer clothes away already. And get ready to see as much orange as humanly fucking possible. That's the beginning of fall. Done. August is finally fucking finished. Sigh. Oh my God. Bring on the hottest fuck weekend. Oh yeah, summer bitchin'. Bitches. Not another fucking holiday for weeks. Ray of fucking sunshine. That's right. I'm a ray of motherfucking sunshine every motherfucking morning. Make this a damn near perfect day. I love the unicorn calendar, but this one is definitely more my speed. I absolutely love this. And suddenly everyone's fucking Irish. on St. Patrick's Day. I'm actually Irish, so that doesn't apply to me because I really am. Oh, for fuck's sake. Bitch, you should have swept left. Oh, this damn day. Fix your shit. What's on number 1? Let's see what's the first day of the year. Another fucking new year. I love this fucking calendar. This is so cool. I love that calendar, you guys. Let's see if I can find this on here. Okay. So it says a fucking 2021 calendar from Sourcebooks. What a better way to help you get real and laugh through the year than a squaring calendar for 2021. 365 days of funny, expletive phrases and boldly designed pages. $14.99 value, and you can get it at www.sourcebooks.com. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Oh my God, like always, they hit it out of the park. I swear, they find the funniest shit. They make the best, funniest shit. And I just love this box. Plus, you can get things individually if you don't want to do the subscription. So I will link everything down below if you do want to check them out. So a quick recap of this box, you guys. We have this really cool mug, and I'm so glad that these are not like holiday themed. I honestly cannot wait for this holiday to be over. I'm already wanting to take my tree down. It's not Christmas yet. We have a sticky note pad. We have 2 notepads here. We have a set of highlighters. We have a hand lotion. You have a keep fucking breathing rock stone. You have a bracelet, an amazing shirt, and I so love that color. Oh my God, I love the color. And the best desk calendar that I have ever seen in my entire life. This is amazing, you guys. I will go ahead and add up the total retail value of this entire box, and I will put it right here. That'll be the total retail value of all of the items in here. And if you guys want to know a little bit more about Smartass and Sass, I will let you know a little thing or two right about now. So again, everything will be linked down below in the description box if you want to check out their website or their subscriptions. For the subscription, again, there's 3 different levels. The very first one is the shirt only, which is $15.95. They are all this soft blend unisex tee ranging from an extra small to a 3XL in size. Or you can do the goods only. You have everything without the shirt. The shirt will not be in this equation. You have everything else, and that will be $34.95. And you'll get 5 to 7 full-size, hilarious branded products. Or you can do the big box. So you'll get all of this and the shirt. Everything here you will receive, and it's $49.95. Now, shipping is an additional charge. And if you love funny shit, cuss words, and treating yourselves, then you are going to love this box. The owners are 2 best friends. They've been best friends, I would say probably now, like at least 30 years. And I love the fact that it's 2 best friends that are curating this together. I just love the box. I love what they represent. I love what they bring. And I'm just loving the damn thing. So you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's theme? What did you think of the items that were inside? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.